myself Navya. In this session, let me continue to the next part of the examination module. So, in the previous sessions, we have discussed about setting up of exams and enrollments and assignments and how to do the marks entry and how to check the reports and how to take the reports. So, in this session, let me explain about the import of the exam groups and the exam codes. Okay, here. If you have so many exam groups you have to do it by manually is a long process, right? So there is an option called import exam group. So here you have to mention these columns in the excel sheet. Okay, exam group, institute, grade, description, exam month and exam year, maximum marks, passing marks, grades, notes and academic year you have to mention. So if you have mentioned or if you have entered all these details in the excel sheet, that always should be in a dot excel access format. Okay, and once you import these files, you have the ability to choose the read from file, so it will read the data from that excel file and you have to start doing the mapping. So here you have to choose the first column, you have mentioned the exam code. Okay, or exam group you have mentioned, so you have to map the c0 column to the exam group. Second column is about the institute, so you have to map c1 column to the institute. Like that you have to keep doing the mapping. After all the columns are mapped, after that you can click on the import, it will import all the exam groups data to that screen. Okay, same thing about the exam codes. Here also the you have so many datas but you have to do it by manually is a long process. So here also there is an option for importing the exam codes. Okay, same thing, you have to mention the columns in the excel sheet that have been mentioned in the import screens. Okay, you have to import the file and click on the read from file, it will read the data from that file. After that you have to start doing the mapping. Same thing you have done for the exam groups. Okay, after all the columns are mapped, then only click on the import, it will import all the data to that exam codes. Okay, and if you want to do the mass import for the exam marks, okay, here you have to choose the student id, that is member id, and you have to choose what is the marks obtained and what is the result, means whether it is a first class distinction like that, and what is the exam group. Like that you can do the mass import in this mass import exam marks option. Okay, these are all about examination module, means setting up of exams, duration, types, groups, codes, timetable and location, and enrollment and assignments, and marks entry and reports, and how to do the import. Okay, these are all about the examination module. So for more information or for more clarification, just go through easylib.net in the Google Chrome or in the Edge. Okay, click on the contact. Here, you will be able to see the list of respective contact details. So, just give us a call and ask any doubts regarding the application. And if you want to see the application demo, our team will be happy to conduct the demo for you according to your availability. Okay, thank you.